Hey guys, welcome back to another OBD Mastery YouTube video. Now, today's video we're going to be addressing the P0029 DTC code. What exactly is it? What are the causes? What are the symptoms? And what are the solutions for this code? So let's get into it, starting off here with a brief introduction and understanding what it is. Now, the P0029 code indicates a problem with the exhaust valve control solenoid circuit for bank 2. Now, this code is extremely crucial as it can lead to significant engine performance issues if not addressed. Understanding this code helps in diagnosing underlying problems, ensuring optimal vehicle operation and compliance with emission standards. Now, the symptoms of P0029 code, now you're going to have an illumination of a check engine light on your car, so it is going to be warning you of a signal cluster on your cluster, and basically you'll be able to actually see that in real time. Number two is just going to be poor engine performance. So drivers may notice that reduced power or responsiveness will be an overall decline in the engine's performance during this code. And in general, when you're accelerating the pedal, you're not going to get the power that you once had. But basically, third is going to be the rough idling, which is just unstable idling, leading to vibrations and irregular engine sounds when at a stop. Number four is going to be decreased fuel efficiency. So you'll get more fuel trips to the gas station than usual, and your fuel consumption is essentially just going to go up. Next up is just going to be the causes of the P0029 code. Now, number one here on the list is the faulty exhaust valve control solenoid. So a malfunctioning solenoid can fail to regulate valve timing, causing performance issues and triggering the P0029 code. Now, damaged wiring or poor connections can be a culprit here. Frayed wires or loose connections can disrupt the solenoid's functionality, leading to erratic performance and error codes. Next up is going to be the oil flow restriction to the solenoid. So insufficient oil supply or blockages in the oil passages can impair solenoid operation, affecting valve control. Next here is the malfunctioning engine control module. So an ECM that is not functioning properly may send incorrect signals to the solenoid, resulting in the P0029 code being triggered. Next up here is the culprits and estimated costs. So the number one culprit we already went through is the exhaust valve control solenoid. So this will run you between $150 and $300, including parts and labor. Number two is going to be wiring repair. Now you could do this yourself, but if you are going to reach out to an experienced technician, it'll cost you between $50 to $200, depending on the extent of the wiring damage. Number three is going to be the oil flow restriction repair. So this will cost you between $50 to $200. And once again, these are prices based on labor and parts, but based on the cause of the restriction, it can vary as well. And then next up is going to be the ECM replacement. This one is very rare that you replace the ECM. However, it's never zero, but it will cost you between $800 and $1,500, including parts and labor. So be aware of that if you're looking to actually repair one of your malfunctioning ECMs. Anyways, the solutions, if you want to do this for yourself or if you want to figure it out, just inspect the wiring connections. So thoroughly examine the wiring and connectors related to the exhaust valve control solenoid. Look for signs of wear, corrosion, or disconnection that may hinder performance. Next is going to be just testing and replacing the solenoid. So using a multimeter, test the exhaust valve control solenoid for proper operation. Now, if it fails to meet specification, replace it to store functionality. Next up is going to be checking oil flow restrictions. Now, ensure that there are no blockage or restrictions in the oil passages leading to the solenoid. Clean or repair any issues found to ensure optimal oil flow. Next is going to be the diagnosis of ECM issues. So if other solutions do not resolve the code, perform a diagnostic test on your engine control module to identify any faults requiring repair or replacement. Basically, that's it for today's video, talking about P0029. Those are the causes, symptoms, and solutions of this video. Don't forget to check out our OBD Mastery catalog, where we have plenty of P0 code videos regarding many of your problems that you may be having. If you did find this P0029 code video to be extremely helpful, don't forget to leave a like on the video, comment down below if this did help you out, and until then, everybody, we'll see you all for the next one.